We've been told all our lives that the Sun is 92.96 million miles away with a circumference of 2,713,406 miles. We are told millions of Earths could fit inside the Sun, and that our Sun is just a closed star that we orbit around. But if you look closely and observe the Sun's light and rays, you will see that our reality is much different than what we've been told. We have been indoctrinated into a massive lie. All you have to do is look and see the truth with your eyes.
The scientists and their foundations.
At the moment, modern physics is not making a lot of sense.
What is everything made of? Oops, there's about 95% stuff we don't know.
Philosophically speaking, it's very uncomfortable. Because if the Earth is in the center of the universe, that means that somebody put it there.
Matter tells space how to curve. Space tell... Did I get that right?
The science community is ignoring a lot of the things that we're looking at, and so normal people are going out and doing experiments. And one of the experiments has turned up an amazing fact that we've not been told, and it destroys the whole idea of this heliocentric system.
The big problem heliocentrism is that the Earth rotates once every 24 hours, creating night and day. During the period of a year, the Earth makes one rotation around the Sun. This means that when one side of the Earth is having daylight at 12 p.m., 6 months later it will be on the opposite side of the Sun. The same side of the Earth will then no longer have sunlight at 12 p.m. In time-lapse video of the Sun, you can see the Sun getting smaller as it goes farther away and larger as it comes close. If it was truly 93 million miles away, you would not see a change in size in such a small parallax of distance. In these pictures you can see Sun's hot spot directly underneath the Sun on the clouds and water. How is it possible for a Sun 93 million miles away to create a single spot of light directly underneath it? It's not. You can experiment with this using a flashlight. The farther away the flashlight is from the floor, the more widely distributed the light is. The closer it is, the more you can see the condensed circle of bright light. The Sun is clearly right above the clouds here. According to most flat Earth models, the Sun is much smaller and closer. The Sun is around 3,000 miles up, and the flat Earth map has the North Pole in the center and Antarctica 360 degrees around, on the outer edge. The Sun is circling above the flat Earth plane and lighting up only a certain distance, much like a small spotlight in a dark room. This might be difficult to understand, but if you try things like this in 3D software, it's actually pretty easy to make a light source that lights up only one side of a big disk. During the year the orbit of the Sun changes. For 6 months the circle will get bigger and bigger, and the Sun will move faster and faster. For the next 6 months the circle will get smaller again. That's how seasons work on the flat Earth. When it's summer at the North Pole, the Sun is circling above the Tropic of Cancer. When it's winter at the North Pole, the Sun is circling above the Tropic of Capricorn. This explains the 24 hours daylight at the North Pole, but 24 hours light in Antarctica is impossible according to the flat Earth model.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share this video.